Happy second Sunday of 2026. For those of you that we haven't seen since last year, Happy New Year. Most of you we haven't seen since last year.
And for those of you who saw earlier this week, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
But it's an honor and privilege to be here at the grounds of the ʻIolani Palace on a lovely, on any given day. But on a lovely Sunday, on a little breezy Sunday, sometimes because sometimes it's a little hot. It's a nice little cool breeze. But mahalo for allowing us to be here. By quick introduction, for those of you that have never seen our three faces before, that's Ekolu Chang on bass over there. There's a Grant Cone in the middle here.
Happy New Year.
My name is Dane Fujiwara. We have been, we want to mahalo Auntie Paula, we want to mahalo Mele, we want to mahalo, the sound guys over here. Having a Sunday event is it once a month? Is it once a month? Yeah? To have a Sunday event here on the Palace grounds, the more frequently we can be here, the more we're blessed by our kupuna, by our ali'i. So, mahalo for allowing us to be here. Sit back, relax, we got an hour of music, and off we go.
Sunday afternoon, there it goes my Tutu. She was jogging on down to town on the ʻIolani hapa-haole. Oh, Sunday afternoon, there it Kiki